Hello, welcome all of you. The question with us here says a football of radius capital R is kept on a hole of radius small r less than capital R, made on a plank kept horizontally. So we have a horizontal plank in which a hole is there of radius small r, and on this hole a football of radius capital R is kept. One end of the plank is now lifted so that it gets tilted, making an angle theta from the horizontal. Now one end of the plank was initially like this, now it is being tilted from the horizontal, making an angle theta with the horizontal. The maximum value of theta, so that the football does not start rolling down the plank, satisfies. So it is asking the maximum value of theta for which the football does not start rolling down the plank. Okay, so here is our horizontal base and this is our plank. This is our plank, this is making an angle of theta with the horizontal. So let us make the FBD of this football. So mg will be vertically downwards. If we take the components of mg along the plank and perpendicular to the plank, it will be mg sine theta, and perpendicular to the plank it will be mg cos theta. There will be one normal force perpendicular to the football. So the basic concept here used will be for no rolling, tau net has to be equal to 0. Net torque about all the points of the football has to be 0. Let us assume this point. Let us assume this point to be A. Let us take torque about this point A. It has to be equal to 0. So normal force is passing through this, the torque of normal will be 0, and mg is also passing through it. So torque of A for the force mg will be equal to 0. Let us take the components of this force mg. Let us take the torque of these different components of mg, like one is mg sine theta and one is mg cos theta. So torque of mg sine theta about point A, it will be mg sine theta into perpendicular distance of mg sine theta with this point. This means it will be like this, mg sine theta into this distance. So this distance will come out to be, this is capital R, this is small r. So this distance will come out to be under root of capital R square minus small r square. This will be mg sine theta into under root of capital R square minus small r square. This has to be equal to the mg cos theta component torque. That is, it will be equal to mg cos theta into perpendicular distance, that will be equal to small r. So it will be equal to mg cos theta into small r. So mg cancels out. So what we get here, tan theta equal to r upon under root of capital R square minus small r square. So this relationship we getting here, tan theta equal to small r upon under root of capital R square minus small r square, or we can also write this as sin theta is equal to small r upon capital R. So we have this as option A. So our answer will be sin theta equal to small r by capital R. This is our answer. I hope this answered your question. Thank you.